Is it a good idea to purchase pavers that are made of concrete, brick, porcelain, or natural stone and install them as quickly and cheaply as possible without any concern if the installation is correct? No. Experience provides evidence that it is not good to underestimate the importance of correct installation. When any product is under consideration for use as an exterior application, whether it's home or business, part of the selection process should be to include what the conditions will be like once the project is complete. An important question that we may ask ourselves is this: what will the product be exposed to long-term in my climate? Natural stone, porcelain, concrete, or brick pavers should not be installed in a way that permit them to be exposed to water long-term. What if we read online or have documents from a source that publishes we can install pavers quickly and shortcut traditional steps, maybe even save money? Consider the following. Is it okay to have water collect under a poured concrete walkway or patio? Or, if this happens, will this cause damage when that water freezes? We have come to understand through decades of observation that water can cause serious damage. Over the years, Rolling Rock has encouraged education and correct installation. Our website, www.rollrock.com, for upwards of 2 decades, has published various helps and has directed both customers and the public to professionals and experts that are on the right track. Please use these resources fully. It will be our continued goal to build on this work together. Please continue to follow our progress. We can learn much, and we also can enjoy our natural stone, porcelain, concrete, or brick for many years as a result.